In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to hide the clock here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start. Make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also use the keyboard, press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please proceed to the left pane and locate with the option which is the time and language. The moment you do it, you'll be able to see four options. Please proceed with the date and time. And eventually here with the date and time settings, you would be able to see a list of the options. So by that, you need to proceed with show time and date in the system tray. So in order to hide the clock in your Windows 11 taskbar, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the switch here, turn it off, and eventually you'll be able to succeed on hiding it here to your Windows 11 taskbar. Okay, so by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.